Hello, friends. How are you? How was your morning session? Bible study. Hope you've enjoyed. You have shared with mommy and dad at home that word of God. Do you normally pray before you go to bed or after bed early in the morning? Do you sit and gather yourself and you read the word of God? Wow, I can see someone saying yes. Yes, okay, friends. What is the day today? Welcome again to our phonics lesson. So, what is the day today? The day today is yesterday it was Thursday. Then today it is. I can see someone is trying to remember. Yes, Nolan, I can see Lan, I can see Jesse, I can see Mitchell, I can see Eunice, I can see Jason. Can you give me a 5? Wow, so good. Who can tell me the day today is? The day today is? Wow, you have said the day today is Friday. The day today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Sunday, palala. Monday, palala. Tuesday, palala. Wednesday, palala. Thursday, palala. Friday, palala. And Saturday, palala. And Saturday, palala. Wow! Today is Friday. Then tomorrow it will be Saturday. Then day after Saturday it is Sunday. So friends, today we are having phonics as our subject. Who can remind us on what we saw last Friday? Who can remind us? We saw pictures for certain sound. Which sound is this, friends? Sound? Which sound is this? Sound? 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 Okay, who can give me one picture for sound? Tell me. I can see. I can hear. Tell me, Eunice. Give me one picture for sounds. Justin, where are you? Davis? Can you raise up your arm, friends? Raise up your arms like this. Then if I pick you, you give me the answer. So friends, who can tell me one picture of sound? Wow. Yes, Davis. Can you tell me one picture for sound? It is sun. It is sun. Can you clap for Davis? Way done, Davis. Wow, it is sun. It is sun. I give you another thing. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. Who can give me that twinkle, twinkle picture? What is that? Who can tell me? Wow, now I want a girl. Yes? Yes, Umutoni. It is star. It is star. As you see here, this is sound. Sound. This is sun. Or we say sun. Say sun. Good morning, Mr. Sun. I love you so much. You give us the light during the day. For sun. Are you seeing? Sun is in sound. Sun is in sound. So this is sound. 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 So for sun. For sun. Sun. For sun. I have another thing here. I like their flowers. Mr. Sun is having a nice flower in it. So, what is this, friends? Mutan told us for star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder you are. Up, up, so wide, so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. This is star, star, star. S for star, S for star. Which color is this, friends? This is color blue. This is color blue. I like my brows. It is also matching with color of star for stamp. This is blue color. Blue color. Star is having a blue color. A blue color. This sun is shining. Mr. Sun. Mr. Sun. Mr. Sun. It is shining. Shining. It has a bright color. It is color. Which color is this, friends? I can hear Eunice. Which color is this? Mr. Sun has color yellow. Color yellow. S for sun. S for sun. S for star. S for star. So, friends, today I have another things that I want to show you. Wow. Can you see more pictures for sound? Sound. Who can tell me which color is this? This is color red. This is color red. Color red. This week was color red week. So this is color red. Which picture is this? Skirt. Skirt. For skirt. For skirt. For what is this? What is this, friends? This is a stick. Yesterday we saw grandmother and grandfather. They are having a stick. They are walking on a stick. This is a stick. For stick. For stick. For skirts. I have another lovely thing. What is this? This is a stool. 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 Do you have a stool there? Yes, I can see a stool. So, friends, see you in the next video.